Okay, class, this is for class period 7 and 8, sixth graders. I'm going to show you guys how to start Endeavor. So the first thing you want to do is on your iPad, you want to go to Safari, click on the link, and you're going to go to the website everfi.com. everfi.com. Once you go there, you're going to go ahead and click on those little 3 bars at the very top. And you're going to go ahead and sign in as a student. Click on that link there. And once you log in to the class, well, first thing you do is to go ahead and register. When you register, type in the registration code that I gave you and fill out your form. So you're going to type in 7044 E9CA. You don't have to use this registration code. Use the registration code I gave you on the website. Once you do that, fill out the form. You're gonna do your month, when you're born, the day, and then whatever year you were born. Your first name, last name initial, that's gonna be 1 letter. Then your username. Make your username your lunch number. You can make it your lunch number at fcstv.org. So whatever your lunch number is, then do the @ sign, fcstu.org. Your password should be your date of birth, so whatever your date of birth is. So if your date of birth is, let's say, May 25th, 2015, you put 05252015. Repeat that twice, and then click Next. That should get you in. Once you're logged in, you should see the Endeavor and EverFi Ignition. Start the lesson I asked you to go to.